to Ashley Speaks English. Today I have an umbrella because we are going to talk about when it rains. When it rains, the rain falls from the sky. There are a couple different ways we can say this. We can say, it's raining. It's raining. We might say, it's going to rain. It's going to rain. We could also describe how much it is raining. If it is raining a little or a lot. We don't really say it is raining a little. We might say there is a light drizzle. That means it is raining very fine, very small, light raindrop. We might also say it is a light rain. It is a light rain. Another way we might say it is raining a little is it is sprinkling. It is sprinkling. If it is raining a lot, there are many different ways to say this. We could say there is a heavy rain. We could also say it is pouring outside. It is pouring outside. We can say it's really coming down. It's really coming down. It's a downpour. We could also say, it's raining cats and dogs. That is an idiom. It's obviously not raining cats and dogs. That just means it is raining a lot. Sometimes we can say, it is a torrential rain. That means it is raining a lot, like in a hurricane, or a rain that might cause flooding or a flood. We also can say there will be a chance of light or heavy showers. Most of the time you hear weathermen saying that phrase. When they are describing the weather, they will describe rain showers. If you are outside in the rain and you get wet because you left your umbrella, there are a few different ways you can describe yourself. You can say, I am wet. I am soaked. That means your clothes, your hair, it all got wet. It got soaked. I am soaked. Or you can say, I am drenched. Rain is a noun. It's raining is a verb. Whether you like rain or not, I hope that these were some helpful phrases you can use to talk about the rain. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.